Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let us know 10 facts about life. So the first one, you are tall in the morning. If you are feeling a bit on the short side, measure yourself when you first wake up. According to Jamaica Hospital Medical Center, this phenomenon may be due to gravity compressing cartilage in our spine and in other parts of our bodies, such as our knees when we stand up or sit down throughout the day. While we are lying down in a resting position, the spine is said to spread out or decompress. So when we wake up in the morning, we are taller after lying in the bed all night. Number 2, you should sleep with your door closed. Sleeping with your doors closed will help you protect yourself from smoke and toxic fumes in the event of a fire. Number 3, you will yawn more often than you eat breakfast. Over the course of a lifetime, you will yawn approximately 250,000 times according to one expert on the subject. If you live to 70, that's about 10 yawns per day. Number 4, fake smiles can hurt you. It turns out that faking happiness can hurt your health. For a 2011 study published in the Academy of Management Journal, researchers looked out at the behavior of bus drivers, a profession where people are required to have many friendly interactions throughout the day, and discovered that these people withdraw from their work while putting on a smile for show, and that could have long-term health effects. Number 5, babies don't have kneecaps. Well, they do. It's just that they aren't made of bone. They are little bits of cartilage that have yet to ossify into bone. Number 6, the color you see in pitch darkness has a name. If you close your eyes in a completely dark room, when you open them, the color you see is called Eigengrau. It's the shade of dark grey people see when there is no light. Number 7, craving ice is a symptom of iron deficiency. If you like crunching ice after you finish your drink, you might be suffering from anemia. The compulsive eating of ice may not just be a nervous tic, but a way of cooling inflammation in the mouth caused by a lack of iron, according to the Mayo Clinic. Number 8, sharp knives are safer than dull knives. Sharp knives aren't actually as likely to cut you as dull ones, because a sharp knife easily slices through food. You only have to apply a small amount of pressure when using them. This means that you are more likely to cut the item you are intending to cut and not your hand. Dull knives, however, can't cut through food easily and often cause injuries when resistance between the dull blade and the food's surface suddenly gives away, at which point the knife flies out of control. Since you have to use so much pressure to cut with a dull knife, they often cause deep cuts as opposed the minor nicks a sharper knife might inflict. Keep your knives sharp and hone those skills for maximum safety. Number 9, your hair growth may have to do with your ethnic background. While human hair generally grows at a rate of about 6 inches per year, there is some difference in growth rates based on ethnicity. According to research published in the International Journal of Dermatology, people of Asian descent tend to have faster growing hair than those of other ethnic backgrounds. Number 10, taking aspirin during a heart attack may save your life. Taking an aspirin at the first sign of a heart attack can be a lifesaver. The drug inhibits platelets from forming a clot that can block an artery and cause a full-on heart attack. For the fastest relief, chew the aspirin instead of swallowing it. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.